Hola! Mabuhay, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Madam Chrissy at Sean Vlogs. Kumusta po kayo? How's everyone? I hope everyone is fine and in good mood today. Thank you so much for being here on my channel. And today's vlog, we're here in Dira, Dubai. We're going to catch a ferry from Abra, Dira, going to the Old Town Dubai. See you around! Mga kaolas, nag-taxi na nga tayo. At least may dumating na Pakistani driver na kasama natin at taxi na tayo going to the Abra Marine Transportation Station. Alright! At syempre, kailangan makita natin ang dinaraanan natin, ang mga views dito from Vision Imperial Hotel going to the Marine or the boat transport station. Ayan. So, sa Dira, no? Abra ang tawag nila, Dira. So, sinabi ko lang sa driver that I'm going to the boat station and he surely know what to do and he's bringing me there. And we're actually having a short chat about who I am, what I'm doing here in Dubai, and I learned that he's Pakistani and he's also working here abroad. Yeah, so we're both OFW. Kaya lang ako sa Europe, siya dito sa Dubai. So as we can see, traffic at syempre ang daming traffic light dito, and we can also see hospitals, hotels, buildings, and we pass through Jollibee. There's a Jollibee restaurant here in Dubai on that side, and I saw Hyatt Place Hotel and some malls. All right, so I can feel the Cornish. I can feel the beach vibes. Yes, and it's nice to drive here. Yes, so nice, and I'm a bit excited going to the boat station because first and foremost, that's my goal. That's why I went here to Riga to visit Dira, Dubai. Mga kaolas, nandito na tayo sa station. We call it Abra. So we're going to ride the ferry boat. Later, we'll have a look. We'll check the vicinity. Alright. So hot. As in. Alright. Dubai Abra. So as you can see, this is the boat station. Kaolas, we are traveling from Tira Old Souk going to Al Pahidi C4 to CR7. That will be our travel. So it will be a short boat trip from Tira. We're here in the ferry boat. It's fun. Ayan, nakarating na tayo sa Alsips area. Yan, doon tayo nang galing. Ito na yung Al Pahidi. May temple doon. Ito na yung area. May KFC. May KFC now open. Ayan, lakad-lakad lang tayo within this area. The Pashmina House. Pasok tayo dito. May camel leather. The good side of visiting Old Dira is the architecture, the building, the way, the heritage, and the culture. You can see the national costumes, the one that they wear. Look at the outfits, the scarves, and the other golds here. And as you can see, there are also memorabilias or souvenirs that tourists can buy or take away with them. Brilliant. And you can also drop by to some chocolate stations and look at this. Isn't it nice? Do you remember your lutuan or frying pan? These are the old frying pans. And of course, the digas. Look at the digas. Naabutan nyo ba yan? Very nice. thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin dito sa The Heritage Souk, kung saan nandito yung mga souvenirs, bongga, may mga abaya, tapos may mga fridge magnet, may mga chocolates din, at makikita nyo yung heritage nila, including yung mga lamps. Ayan o, yung mga ganong lamps. Diba sa taas? Ayun, yung mga lamps. At saka ang ganda ng area. Ayan. So kung makikita nyo, nandoon, ayan, papakita ko sa inyo, ayan. Talagang tabing dagat siya. Ayan, daming tourists. Kung makikita nyo, marami ring tourists dito. Ayan, nakaka-enjoy. Very refreshing ang paglalakad dito, diba? So ayun, so thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin. This is your Madam Chrissy na nagsasabing, kung gusto mo maging masaya, subscribe na. Thank you!